Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to introduce you to the easy-stow PIT with powered rotation shown for use in the rear of a crew cab pickup truck, in this particular case, a Ford F-Series. So the easy-stow PIT with a powered rotation option has the real neat ability to rotate that arm so that it matches the angle of your wheelchair and, most importantly, avoids the problems and interference that you would have with the rear door, because if you came straight out, of course, you would hit the door. This is available for manual and for some folding power chairs that are very popular nowadays. But it gives you the ability to stow it in the rear of the vehicle. Now, of course, this is going to be primarily for people who are ambulatory or who have an assistant, but it does give you a way to stow your wheelchair inside. And the great part is, the way this unit is designed, the mast is removable so that you would be able to use the rear seat of the vehicle. So our next step in the process here, we have a wide variety of docking devices, literally dozens of different styles of docking devices. This one in particular is designed for a manual wheelchair, X-frame folding chair. Once we get the chair all the way up, we bring it like that and bring it toward the front and into the vehicle. And you can do the operation simultaneously, and that's really great. And navigate it right into that hole where you've got the room. Access Unlimited is 100% dedicated to the idea that you deserve mobility in the way that you want, in the vehicle that you want, and we hope that you agree with what we're doing here, and we hope that you enjoy the video. If you'd like to learn more about Access Unlimited and our philosophy, please go to our Facebook page at facebook.com/accessun. Follow us on Twitter at accessun, Instagram, Access Unlimited one word, Pinterest, Access Unlimited two words. Contact us on our website at www.accessunlimited.com. We have over 4,000 videos on our YouTube channel showing you all kinds of exciting mobility options at youtube.com/accessun. To contact us, give us a call the old-fashioned way at 1-607-669-4822. That's Eastern Standard Time in the United States, country code 1. Evenings and weekends are no problem at 1-615-873-0518. Thank you so much for taking the time to check out our video, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.